How do you bring magic? How do you bring joy? We take that responsibility quite seriously. What we call the Spin Master way is that ideas can come from anywhere and do come from anywhere, but execution and speed to market with precision is critical.
We prototype fast, we put things in front of eyes, we get kids to play with them. We do everything we can to fail fast and succeed quickly.
We file hundreds of patents a year. 30% of our time is unnecessarily used for friction of our tools itself. How do we reduce friction? We as engineers look at what are the tools of the future. Onshape really stuck out because it's natively built on the cloud. A single source of truth has had a huge impact on our team.
What used to take us hours of exporting and importing from different team members now takes us seconds. I can just open the exact same file that they worked on.
Our team could be working on it during the night, and then in the morning, we pick up on that development. When we looked at our design speed specifically, we were 5 times as fast designing the same type of product and same mechanisms. We did another study, in fact, of looking at the specific time itself to download files and collaborate, and we saw a 20x impact from how we were doing it before to what we're doing now with Onshape. The sub-assemblies, bringing it all together, that ease, it can't be underestimated, and I think that allows us to actually go into best practices for any kind of design and development.
Now that I know I can review every change I've ever made and have those version histories, I can afford to make mistakes and really just push out the fastest rapid prototype I can. I use a lot of branching and mergings. I'll usually just branch off and make my own, and then we can always merge back together.
We've now been able to organize everything within our projects, data sheets for other parts, creating a kind of library of parts. The search toolbar means we can just find it quickly, bring it in, and carry on going. Onshape responds to everything and gets back to you quite quickly. With our whole team, we put in quite a few tickets, and when we finally do see that come in through an update, it's great because it's kind of exactly what we're looking for. Productivity for us is being able to work quickly, being able to pivot quickly, being able to find old files quickly, and then cross-team collaboration.
We do have about over 2,500 employees globally, over 26 offices. Engineering is diversified within North America and Asia and some of our manufacturing facilities in Europe. In real time, our staff can now pull up where a design is at in intricate detail, where we could not before at all. The in-person and extensive multi-hour sessions to explain a concept are much reduced. With Onshape, many avenues and doors have opened up that we could not do previously, and I believe it will definitely continue to be one of our central platforms.